What we do is we take every opportunity we can to have students learn. Everything in construction that I can actually put into my curriculum, I do. It is a great opportunity for them just to see the way different things are changing. For example, home sprinkler systems were never around 20 years ago. Now they are. And this is another opportunity for them to see a future as opposed to just other aspects of construction, other aspects of education.
There was a grant application through the Home Fire Sprinkler Coalition. Our public education officer, Jackie Dyson, saw it, thought that this would be a great opportunity to build a prop, which we do not have right now for home fire sprinklers. We've done this in the past before where we've partnered with high schools and we've had a phenomenal response and success building a burn cell. So in this case, Jackie brought the idea forward. Why don't we approach Markham District High School, see if they would be willing to partner with us to build the display, and that's how it all came to be.
I've learned that this is actually a career that I could actually consider. I enjoyed it. I definitely got some trades tips from the Viking employee who came here. He was really nice, really understanding. I was talking to him a lot about how he got into it, career path, how he started out. It was basically just motivational.
And so it just shows them the entrepreneurship aspect, as well as there is great money to be made in this sort of trade.
This is actually something that's going to be built in the community, a part of something that's real life, that's going to be out in the community that we are going to use to advocate home fire sprinklers. Now, public education is our main initiative. They may be part of saving somebody's life. It's hard to quantify that, but they may be part of a message that may encourage somebody to build home sprinklers and which may ultimately save their family's life.